class. Today I will talk about how can you disable Meitu mode on your Meitu app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on me down here, and just click here on me. It's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, just click here on general here. You just click on general. It's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you come here to Meitu mode. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean here Meitu mode disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.